Today, we're diving into the world of forklifts and uncovering how they work. Forklifts are essential in industries worldwide, from warehouses to construction sites, for moving heavy loads efficiently. But how do they operate? At its core, a forklift consists of several key components working in harmony. The first is the frame, providing essential structure and stability. Attached to the frame is the mast, a vertical assembly where the lifting happens. The mast houses a hydraulic piston and chains that raise or lower the forks. Speaking of forks, these are the two prongs at the front of the machine, designed to slide under and lift pallets. Forklifts can have different attachments tailored for specific materials or tasks, enhancing their versatility. The operator controls the forklift from a cabin or seat using a steering wheel, levers, and pedals. These controls manipulate the hydraulic system, translating the operator's actions into movement. Shifting the mast forwards or backwards with the tilt control helps balance loads, preventing spills or accidents. Powering these machines are different engines, each suited for various environments. Electric motors, commonly used indoors, offer quiet and emissions-free operation. Internal combustion engines, often powered by diesel, gasoline, or propane, provide greater power for outdoor tasks or heavy lifting. Beneath it all, a counterweight opposes the weight of the load. It's crucial to maintaining balance and stability. Without it, lifting heavy loads would tip the forklift. Typically, the counterweight matches or exceeds the maximum lifting capacity of the forklift. The wheels of a forklift can also vary. Pneumatic tires are perfect for rough or uneven outdoor terrain, while solid rubber tires work well on smooth surfaces indoors. Now let's talk about maneuverability. Forklifts are rear-wheel steered, enhancing agility and allowing sharp turns even in tight spaces. This is crucial for navigating busy warehouses or crowded storage areas. Safety is paramount when operating a forklift. That's why modern forklifts are equipped with seatbelts, horns, lights, and backup alarms. Regular maintenance checks ensure they function safely and efficiently, minimizing accidents and downtime. Finally, understanding load capacity and adhering to it prevents overloading, which could lead to tipping or damage. Operators are trained to assess the load and balance it correctly before moving. And there you have it, an inside look at how forklifts work, orchestrating a delicate balance of power, precision, and safety. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into industrial machines and technology.